reviewing the feedback we received from workshop, we made some improvements. This includes more videos to the presentation, more succinct written words, and clearer pictures presented.
This is Xinjiang's reflection. The group work greatly shifts my perspectives of integrating indigenous perspectives into daily practices. This integration is essential for school programs and philosophy, which caters with both indigenous and non-indigenous students' development across different subjects. In addition, the success of including indigenous people's perspective in schools' daily practices demands the joint work from school leaders, teachers, communities, and parents. Additionally, I'm aware of the significance of keeping myself updated with innovative practices by using internet resources. Lastly, since educators and organizations are consistently dedicated to develop new practices and challenge the old ones, I would like to devote my future profession to this innovative activity with broader community.
This reflection is from Laura and Ying. Through reflecting, it is noticeable that most of indigenous resources and programs have been developed by non-indigenous people, and the majority of history about indigenous peoples are recorded by non-indigenous people. Therefore, by following ethics and exploring more innovative practices, I will reconsider the ways in which indigenous perspectives are conceptualized during my profession. Also, the group work has developed my collaborative working skills. Through discussion, we decided that the in-depth analysis of social justice relating to indigenous culture is closely related to education. Because cognitive development is a social process where learning emerges during the interaction with peers. In this case, we supported each other to pass our zones of proximal development together.